Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to download Sfml for Barkeshli. Alright, so first what you want to decide is if you have a 32-bit install or 64-bit install of your compiler. Open command prompt, type in gcc --version, and there you can see I have the 64-bit version. So I want to download this one, which I already have. Next, what you want to check is your MINGW path. So if you go into path, open this, press environmental variables, select path, press edit, you'll see here that I have the path of MINGW right here. If you have that, then you should use this command later on. If you don't, you should try this one instead. But that's for later on. So now that we have that out of the way and you've downloaded this already, you want to open this and you want to extract it to your desktop. And I've already done that, so I'll just copy that. And then when you go into desktop, you want to open this, make sure everything's in there, and then just copy it. And you want to go into your documents and you want to make a libraries folder. And I will overwrite my old one. And once you made that libraries folder, you want to open this and you want to paste your SFML into here, just like I had before. So now you want to leave this open, but what you want to do next is open Visual Studio Code, open a new folder, go into your projects folder, which is where I have this, which is where I have here, and you want to make a new folder, SFML tutorial, or you can name it whatever the hell you want. And you want to open it, go into it, and then you want to make a new file, not new folder, make a new file called main.cpp. And then you want to go onto the SFML website, learn, tutorials, and then the SFML and Linux. Next, you want to open the website and go into this, copy the SFML program, and then paste that into your main.cpp. And you'll see that there's an error right here. You want to hover over it, press quick fix, and open include path. In here, it will create a JSON file for you, and now this is where you want to paste your include file path. So you want to open this, go back to documents, libraries, SFML 2.5.1, go into your includes folder, and then you double click the top, and you want to copy this one. Make sure it's your one and not mine. And you want a comma over here, quotation marks, paste this, and you want to put a slash behind every red one or in front. And just quickly do this, and then boom. This thing, the red squiggles will go away. Next, you want to make a Makefile so that you can compile your program. So do capital Makefile, and it will turn into a Makefile here, as you can see. And you want to go and copy what I have in the description for you, which is this part. Copy that into here. And next you want to fill out these parts. This is just the includes link that you had before, but it's got some tags that I'll put into the description. So you just copy that, the top one in the description, and then make sure it's the -c, and then it has the includes tag right here. You want to make sure that this is your file path. Again, you want to make sure you go into documents, libraries, include, copy this path. The second one, which is also in the description, is your lib file path. You want to go into your SFML, go into your lib, and then copy this file path. Make sure it is not mine. Then after this, you should be done with everything, and you can try compile. So as mentioned before, you want to check what kind of path your MINGW is. If it's my one, the same as my one, you should use this command. As you can see, it makes a main.exe and a main.o file. And if you want to clear this, again, you can just do make and then clean like we usually do. But obviously I want to make it, and I want to run it by /main. And boom, that's a green circle. If you want to test it further, you can go back to your documents, and you want to go into libraries, SFML, examples, windows.cpp. You can just paste this, again, construct it again, and then try run it, and then you have box. All right, thank you.